Hello everybody, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajayastromoneyguru. Welcome all of you today on 12th May 2022. In this episode, we will discuss about Indian stock markets and what all things you need to consider for next few trading days. So friends, if you remember in our previous episodes, we have strongly recommended Power Grid Corporation to you, and we strongly put our view that Power Grid Corporation is expected to show positive movement, and in spite of highest volatility and weakness, especially in Nifty, Power Grid Corporation is outperforming. So you can consider Power Grid Corporation, and I hope you like their analysis. And if we look at the global markets, yesterday the US markets fell because of the high inflation numbers by the Fed, and Apple, which is the highest market capital company of the world, is no longer the highest market capital company, as it has taken over by Saudi Aramco, and Apple has fell by more than 30% from in last 2 months. So this shows that the highest blue chip company of the world is showing significant weakness, which is showing panic in the stock market. Also, Nifty and Indian stock markets are expected to open gap down as the SGX Nifty signifies, and whether the Indian markets will bottom out or they are expected to show further weakness, that we will discuss in this episode. So if we compare the Nifty, then we can see that it has fallen by around 12 to 13% from its all-time high, which is 18,600, and comparing it to the Dow Jones or Nasdaq, which has fallen more than 30, Dow Jones and Nasdaq, which has fallen quite more compared to the Nifty, which shows that Indian stock market is quite stable and strong comparing to the American markets and other global markets. Also today the Indian inflation number will be declared, so all eyes will be on that also. So now the matter of concern will be whether these high inflation are already the peak, or more high inflation is expected to be seen in the coming quarters. That is the matter of concern, and any indication by the RBI governor or by the RBI will be impacted in the Indian stock market. Also, according to my analysis and calculations, and according to the numbers, Indian markets are expected to bottom out very soon in 1 or 2 trading days, and it is the right time to accumulate good quality stocks for the long term perspective and for the medium term perspective in your portfolio. You can consider Power Grid Corporation again. Also, you can consider Gas Authority of India, that is GAIL, GAIL, and you can also consider HDFC and HDFC Bank. So that's all for the today's episode. I hope you liked our analysis.